The pace of business innovation is accelerating faster than ever before. Staying ahead of your competition requires embracing this change, but that can sometimes feel overwhelming. ClearObject helps you unleash the full potential of your organization by transforming data into valuable outcomes. Harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, machine learning, vision AI, and more, we create bespoke AI solutions to reach your business objectives. We understand that every business is unique, so we take the time to listen and analyze your specific needs, using that information to design AI solutions to optimize your processes, enhance your customers' experiences, and boost your bottom line. At ClearObject, AI isn't theoretical. Our experts are experienced in taking solutions from the ideation stage to proof of concept to scalable launch. Our integration processes ensure a smooth transition into the world of AI, with minimal disruption to your existing operations. ClearObject also provides ongoing support and maintenance, so you can stay focused on your core business, knowing that your AI solutions are optimized and running at peak performance. Ready to take your business to the next level? Visit our website and book a consultation today. ClearObject, shaping a smarter tomorrow, one AI solution at a time.